Welcome back to Techavro. Entering phase 10 of our series, do you have a scanned PDF document or contract that you need to edit right now? You do not need to purchase expensive PDF editing software or pay for shady online file converters. Google Drive has a built-in optical character recognition tool that converts any PDF or image file into a fully editable Google Doc. Here is how to do it step by step. First, open Google Drive in your web browser. Upload your target PDF file by dragging and dropping it into your Drive workspace. Locate the uploaded PDF, right-click on the file and hover over Open With. Select Google Docs from the sub-menu list. Google Drive will analyze the text inside your PDF and automatically generate a new, fully editable Google document. All headings, body text, and paragraphs are extracted into clean text you can edit, format, or copy. Once you finish making your changes, click File, hover over Download, and export it back as a PDF or Microsoft Word document. If this simple file conversion trick saved you software costs, please like this video and subscribe to Techavro for more quick tech walkthroughs. See you in the next one.